foam cannon today on Pure Octane Garage. Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
We bring you two dudes in a garage telling you about automotive detailing.
Wow, I like that. I'm Ryan.
Brandon here.
That's Brandon. He just said that. So what do we got today, Brandon? We got another product from MJJC.
That's right. We reviewed their soap, their foam soap a little while back. They sent that to us.
Yeah.
They reached out and asked if we'd like that, and we said sure.
It did foam really well.
And now they sent us the actual cannon. We'll put their soap in. All right, we unbox this thing, Ryan. See what it looks like.
Yeah, let's see what this.
All right, I'll pull the tab here while I'm doing that. I just want to shout out, thank you MJJC. You did send this our way. We got this a little bit ago, and we appreciate that. So thank you.
Thank you. Much appreciated.
Purchased by them for us.
Okay, so we've got
operating instructions. I'm pretty familiar with foam cannons.
Here, let's show them like this, here and here. Did we mention that it's...
Oh, MJJCS, the version 3.0.
Yeah, here
This is their newest model. From what I can tell, it gets pretty rave reviews around the whole YouTube detailer. There's a lot of information on the back.
Actually, yeah.
There's the jar. I like the clear jar. Check that out.
Oh, hey, that is nice.
Right?
I agree, Brandon.
The nozzle. Ooh, nice weighty nozzle. Looks like we do have brass construction right here on this one.
Sorry, I'm blocking that. Brass? Okay.
So we have brass construction. Not stainless, but it's brass. But it's got nice weight to it.
Oh yeah, it does. Here, I'll give you guys. Oop, my hand is blocking.
The straw and an orifice in here.
Ooh, nice action feel. So yeah.
Yeah, it felt like you could switch.
Feels substantial.
Yeah, there's definitely quality built into it.
It doesn't feel cheap at all.
Nice silicone straw. Look at that.
Oh, that's neat.
And they give you a spare 1.1 orifice. So there's probably already a 1.1 installed.
Okay.
So interesting, the ball.
So how does...
The ball on the bottom will keep the straw at the bottom. At the bottom of the bottle, right? Mixed it up.
Yes.
Then we realized that the ball kind of acts like a mixing ball. Check that out. So you don't get this problem.
Yeah, where it starts like curling up on the side, and then you can't get all the product out of the.
So I'm going to go ahead and attach that straw to the end here.
Okay.
We were looking in the directions real quick. The orifice inside is a 1 1/4. The 1.1 is the one they give you as the spare, and it says right there, if you have a drop in pressure performance, switch it out. Switch out the 1 1/4 to the 1.1. Flathead screwdriver will get that out for you. We're going to leave it in there. We shouldn't have a problem. I'm going to go ahead and attach the quick connect that they give you. That'll let us attach to our spray gun.
Got it. I really like that weight on that, the hose.
The straw, right?
The straw, yeah.
All right, that's nice and tight. Drop that in there.
Yep.
Thread it through. See if you can latch that on.
Look at that.
It's like a...
Ooh, that's not... Hey, guys, you got to see this.
That's different. I didn't expect that.
That's really nice. It's nice and quick. I don't even know what you would call it.
It's not a full thread.
It's not a full thread. It pulls it down and locks it.
Locks it in.
So it's kind of satisfying, actually.
Yeah, definitely a high-quality device here.
I really like that on the straw, that weight. But here, let's see if you guys can see that. It pulls it in real tight, real quick. And it's a very positive feel. Nice lock. So easy.
So like I said earlier, we're going to use their foam soap that we have still from the last time that they sent us that.
Yeah, we can put a link to the video here.
So we've been kind of examining this. Obviously, we just opened this up.
Yeah, this is new to us.
And I haven't watched very many videos on this. I just heard that people really like the product and whatnot. Check it out. We've been examining the construction.
We were just noticing the really, really nice construction.
Yeah, there's a premium foam cannon, you can tell. Between this nice straw that we're noticing.
With the weight, I know we mentioned it already.
And then we've got the seal. When you put the head onto the bottom.
On here, it's such a positive seal.
Yeah.
It's hard to explain, but it feels really well made.
And it made us look.
There's a silicone seal that mates with the top of the bottle, and then also 2 silicone seals here.
The outside of the rim.
Yeah.
So you get inside seal and the outside seal with these 2 silicone rims. So yeah, very impressive on the build quality.
And just the hardware itself just has
Everything
such a good,
nicely.
tight, sealed feel.
In case you're new to foam cannons,
We've got, you know, horizontal spray versus vertical.
So if you want your spray like this or like this, I don't tend to change that very much.
Yeah, I generally tend to go with
vertical.
Vertical, yeah. And then you have, of course, your spray pattern. If you reach forward onto here, this rotates.
And you can see that
And
open up.
here, let's see, I'll show them. Right now it's all the way closed, so that would be very tight. I don't know if you guys can see that.
No, yeah, you'll see the adjustment, and we'll show actually here in a moment.
Yeah. But here's that. And then, of course, the amount of water to your soap.
Yeah.
So to the right generally is the most soap. To the left is more water.
More water, yeah. You can have straight water coming out.
Yeah, you'll see as we show you. But really good feel on that. Like it feels just quality. So yeah, definitely worth checking out. Let's
head outside. We'll put a little of MJJC foam in here, and let's throw the test down on it.
Yeah, impressive.
We've got our great display here of our landscaping control box. I'm just kidding.
That's right.
So we've got our MJJC foam, our MJJC version 3 cannon.
Yep, we're gonna go ahead and just use a capful for now.
Yeah, because we're just gonna hit this over here. So we're actually washing a whole vehicle. Yeah, I say a cap full, and then we put third water in there or so. What do you think?
That sounds about right. What do you think? Like,
you need to do half. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that. We're just guesstimating here, guys.
If we want to create more foam, you can always add more soap. There, that's perfect. Give it a shake.
So
swirl it up.
Mix that.
Hook it up.
There we go. Double check. You know what? I'm going to start all the way open.
That's pretty much where we.
And we're at vertical. I'm going to leave vertical. We're at full soap, but we'll adjust as we go. See, I can adjust the spray. Very nice. Right. And then less soap.
Start to see, look, we're just throwing pretty much water on the top.
Yep, now we're basically almost rinsing it back to full soap. Real good action on that. Horizontal. Let's go back to vertical. So yeah, real easy.
Okay, so we added 2 capfuls to a half thing of water, mixed it up.
Yes.
And then we realized that the ball kind of acts like a mixing ball in a way when you're shaking it around.
Correct, yeah.
So maybe that's the point, is a mixing ball. It's got kind of a dual purpose there. So there you go. Let's go ahead and see if we get a little more foam out of it.
Full soap here.
2 capfuls of the
We'll go
MJJC
vertical.
foam. Obviously, we're getting a little more foam.
Actually, I like that mix better, to be honest, Brandon.
So you got to play, you kind of play around with your soap, right? Mix what works for you and your pressure washer.
Yeah, that's a better result in my opinion.
All right, back from our little experimental test. That was fun.
Yeah, it was.
Use the foam cannon like we would use it.
Yeah.
And you and I are kind of the same as far as soap goes. Capfuls, I don't precisely measure soap unless we're trying to do something super specific.
Exactly.
Right? So I generally, we do capfuls. And that's why we did it that way with this one. Worked as we expected.
Yeah.
And you like you said, you love the action of everything.
Actually,
right?
Brandon hasn't had a chance to actually try it, but the action's great.
Yeah, I'm just trying to dry like this. Everything works well.
It's easy.
Yeah, so great product. Thank you, MJJC, for sending that our way. We appreciate it. Wanted to let you guys know that the soap does come separate. We're using their soap they sent us earlier.
Yeah.
So that's
they do not come
item.
together.
It's not a combo.
Separate.
Pack. So anyways, thanks again for that product. Really fun, nice foam cannon, guys. If you need a nice premium foam cannon, give this one a check out.
Yeah, I would definitely check it out.
So
worth it.
All right, with that, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed our little unboxing, in-depth analysis of foam cannon pure octane style. Thank you guys. We appreciate you watching. We have one thing to ask, right?
Yeah. If you could hit that thumbs up button.
We're going there.
It lets YouTube know that, hey, our videos are worth sharing, watching.
Yeah. All right, we've been doing this for a while, so we need you guys to help us keep growing. So
Yeah.
think about the notification bell. If you like the videos, you're going to get more content that we do like this. Check out merch. We have merch if you're interested.
The link's in the description of the video. So.
Speaking of the description, also a description for the Canon and the soap we'll put in there. And we'll have a coupon code also from MJJC that they provided for us to give to you.
10% off, right?
Yeah, get a little bit off. So I hope you save a little money.
Hey, that's a little bonus for you guys who stuck to the end of the video.
Right. Coupon
Appreciate
codes.
Right. So it's a good idea to always watch to the end because you never know.
That's right. All right, guys.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. Till the next video, go foam something. Actually, there must be more than one in here. It says Canons.
It does. It has an S.
And
hey,
the
check it
long
out.
Coming
Truck.
here, FedEx.
Yeah, just in time.
Thanks to MJJC. They sent this to this